Friends, today I am bringing you the world's easiest drawing. So easy that not only a small child but even can make it a disabled person. So pick up your pencil and learn a new drawing. Hi gentlemen, my name is Salim and I am an artist. These days I am making simple sketch drawings. Before this I used to make drawings in schools and college. One day my friend said, "You draw really well. Why don't you upload your drawings on YouTube?" So that's it. What I did, I created my own channel and this is my second video. Check out my first video too. People give it a lot of harsh responses. Anyway, the rest is up to you, intelligent people. Watch my method carefully. Making a video is not easy. First, you have to do the drawings, then adjust the lights and recordings, then editing, and finally uploading with all the settings. It all takes a lot of time and effort. So, I hope for your support. Please subscribe.